Voice of the National Weather Service, NOAA weather radio station KHB-33, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.40 MHz from far. Programming originates from the National Weather Service office in Brownsville. Wind advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. Freeze watch in effect from late Thursday night through Friday morning. What? For the wind advisory, north winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour expected. For the freeze watch, sub-freezing temperatures as low as 30 possible. Where? Brooks and inland Kennedy counties. When? For the wind advisory, from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. For the freeze watch, from late Thursday night through Friday morning. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Frost and freeze conditions could kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. To prevent freezing and possible bursting of outdoor water pipes, they should be wrapped, drained, or allowed to drip slowly. Those that have in-ground sprinkler systems should drain them and cover above-ground pipes to protect them from freezing. Wind advisory in effect from 2 a.m. to noon.